Shortest Sam's Club haul I think I possibly have ever done. We needed 1 pack of the snack sticks, the beef sausage sticks. These are going to be for A, charcuterie, and B, for Matt's lunches for this week. The deep dish singles are our favorite for pizzas for busy weekends, like, you know, Thanksgiving weekend coming up in a few days. It comes with 6 4 cheese and 6 pepperoni. If you air fry them, do them for less time than what they call for on the box, or they will burn. Trust me. Especially, or if you do it in convection, yeah, they burn. So be careful doing that. The 3-pack of the Heinz gravy, it actually is, if you set it beside it, you can compare to the size at Walmart. These are definitely bigger, and they're like $5 for the 3 of these. They did not have any tubs of Cool Whip the Saturday before Thanksgiving, so we ended up with the Members Mark Original Whipped Dairy Topping, the 3-pack of the spray-ons for the pies that we are going to have at home when we get back from staying with family for Thanksgiving. 1 8-pack of the cut green beans. 1 massive pack of the heavy duty 240 cups because I do not want to wash dishes this weekend. And last but not least, for our at home Thanksgiving when we come back, 40 Sister Schubert dinner yeast rolls.